Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you wonderful technique, and believe me, this one technique will improve your English. You can master in English. You will be fluent in English within few weeks. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so the very first thing is that I know there are many people, they want to fluent in English, they want to speak in English, but the same problem that they are facing, and yes, there are many people, they are facing the same problem, like English is not their native language. English is another language. English is a secondary language. So because of secondary language, they are facing different type of problem, like how to practice in English, how to get atmosphere in English, how with whom can practice in English, and yes, because of different language, because of secondary language, so they will not find any partner, they cannot find any partner with whom they can practice in English, because everyone not there are rare people, they speak in English. Okay, so yes, it's a very big problem how to enhance our fluency in English, how to improve our English, because our surrounds, we are living in a area there everyone speak their native language. We are living in a city, there rarely people, few people only speak in English. So how can we practice in English, how can we find some partner with whom we can practice in English? So there are some problem. Okay, now I am going to share with you a wonderful technique. So the very first technique is that are you really want to speak in English, are you really want to fluent in English, then just forget all the problem, that all the problem running in your mind, just forget. Okay, what you need to do, you need to just focus all the resources that you have around you, all the resources. So just focus all the technique, focus, think about how did we learn our native language, because every language that we want to learn, that we want to fluent in and that language, so there are four aspects. We know, everyone know that every language there are four aspects, like, so there are two team, like first team, listening and reading. So listening and reading aspects are in first team. Okay, and second team, so there are writing and speaking. So there are two team, like first team, A team, listening and reading, and second team, writing and speaking. Okay, now, so we are already blessed in first team, like we learned this language in our schooling time, because when you are learning in a 10th class or 12th class, so English was there as a subject, so we read in English properly. Okay, and also we listen in English, we understand in English, so we are blessed with first team, because we know we can understand every single words in English, so we are blessed with a first team. Okay, now let's move on second team. Second team, so there are speaking and writing. So first teams, we can say there is a conjunction, we can say it, listening and reading are the conjunction. I mean to say, we can consume all the content in English while listening and while reading. Okay, so we can say this aspects, and these aspects like consumption, we are consuming lot of content in English with the help of first team. Okay, let's move on second team. So there are writing and speaking, and we can say this thing, creativity, creation. Okay, now we have to focus on creativity. writing and speaking, we can say this is a creation, creativity. Now we have to focus on B team. Okay, we have to create this skill inside us. But the problem is that how to create? With the help of first team, we can create this creation. How? Okay, now you have to start your listening. Listen any content in English, read any content in English. But there is a rule. Rule is that you have to listen one content, not big content. Choose any short content in English. You have to listen the same content minimum 10 times, okay, till it becomes a part of your memory. You have to read same content minimum 10 times till it become a part of your memory. Okay, with the help of consumption, you can create your creation, you can enhance your creation. How? Okay, first you listen one content in English minimum 10 times. Now there is a software, there is a all the memory saved here. Now you have to speak the same content in your own words, okay, because you have listened same content 10 times. Now you have to deliver your thoughts and idea that you have listened, but in your own words, okay. Now you have to write the same content but in your own words. In this way you can start to create this creation, okay. You can achieve your skill. Yes, I know initially time it's very difficult to do, it's very difficult, because initially time it takes your efforts, it needs your perseverance, it needs your all desire, it needs your consistency initially time. But after some time, after few days, you will feel no, okay, it's a habit, okay. Once you make this thing as a habit, then you can easily do this practice. And once you make this habit, then okay, creation, you don't understand that how will it come inside you, okay. By the passing some time, you will feel like okay, I can easily write some thoughts and idea in any particular topic. I can speak in English in any particular topic, and it will happen with the time, okay. It will happen by the time, if you do practice each and every day with consistency, tirelessly, perseverance, then you can easily make this habit inside you. So this is the technique that you have apply on it, okay. And yes, this technique helped me a lot, and if this technique helped me, then this will also help you, believe me. I bet you if you follow this technique minimum 21 days, then your English level is here, you will be master in English, okay. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.